Hello everyone, let's continue. We are looking at retrograde period of Venus when it's coming from 28 degree of Leo backwards to 12 degree of Leo, yeah? And this period of time will be like coming back and reevaluating about our finances, about our choices, about relationship, about valuing ourselves and what we want to choose, change in ourselves in order to get our valuation up. Yeah, anyway, this will be like re-estimating, re-evaluating period of time, and we are started already having a look at what kind of piece of horoscope, in what house it will be happening for every sign of zodiac, and we managed to do Aries last video. Yeah, have a look at the previous video. Okay, we continue. Tauruses, my dear Tauruses, this Venus dancing to and from will be in your 4th house of horoscope. I mean, if you're Taurus in ascendant, yeah, in your rising sun. Well, 4th house of horoscope will be the questions about your comfort and your home. Yeah, you will be asking yourself, do I feel comfortable at my home? Do I feel happy about my home? Do I feel happy about atmosphere in my home? And who are my family? Are these people really that I love, and do they love me actually? Yes, so you will be asking these questions about atmosphere at your home, people who live under the same roof, and property itself. So maybe within this period when Venus will go back, you might find some faults in your house or whatever. Yeah, maybe you would want to move the house or to change the place you live or whatever, or to change something inside or whatever. I don't advise you to do hectic movement and do the changes within retrograde period of Venus, because our valuation is a little bit smeared right now. Okay, wait until it's going back to direct movement, and then you can change something about this. Okay, well, dear Gemini, most probably if you are rising Gemini, your Venus dancing, transiting Venus dancing will be in your 3rd house of horoscope. 3rd house is your communication, people you contact every day, also your transport, yeah, also your school years, also your practical skills. And when Venus will go backwards, you will be reevaluating your contact list. Maybe some contacts will go away, maybe some of the contacts that you cut before, yeah, are coming back, and you will have chance to reestablish your relationship, your communication. Also, you might want to change something about your transport, meaning if you were on the scooter, maybe you are choosing bicycle now. If you were on the bicycle, maybe you would want to buy a car. If you have already a car, maybe you would want to change the car, or maybe I don't know, to do something new about the way you love to commute. Yeah, again, do the drastic changes not on retrograde period. Yeah, now you can make a plan, but make all the changes in this when Venus is going back to direct movement. Okay, well, let's go next, dear Cancerians. Yeah, you might have this Venus dancing in your 2nd house of horoscope. If you're Cancer by your ascendant, by your rising sun, this will be in your 2nd house of horoscope. 2nd, it's your resources, it's your money, it's your source of income. Yeah, how you are making money, what you are doing exactly to make money. Yeah, so this will be under evaluation. Yeah, so you might try to develop some talents in order to make money on this. Maybe you will think about how else I can make money. I know this and this and this. This my talents. Why I didn't use it before? I could make money on this. Okay, so this will be under revaluation. Yeah, but also, 2nd house of horoscope. It's not only where we are getting money from, but also what we are spending them on. So maybe you will be reevaluating the things. For example, if you help money-wise to this or that person from your family, you might have again to have a look again. Maybe they are already big. I mean, your I don't know, children, for example, and you don't have to pay them to support them with money. Maybe it's time already for them to develop their own talents, to make their own money. So all these things will be in your head. Anyway, it will be re-evaluating your financial security. Leos, my dear Leos, all this dancing of Venus will be happening in your first house of horoscope, basically on your ascendant, and very probably you would want to change something in your image, because first house, it's your personality and how we look like, our image, basically, so most probably you would want to make some plastic operation or to renew your wardrobe or whatever. Please, please, please don't do this on retrograde period, okay? Because your valuation of these things might be a little bit smeared now. Make the changes only when Venus is retrograde, if you really want to do this, okay? Well, anyway, but also first house of horoscope is on the axis 1st and 7th, and you will be asking yourself questions. Am I loved? The partner I have, does he or she really love me? And you will need to, this confirmation from your partner. Yes, I'm really loved, and this is so important in my life. So basically try not to make dramas within the retro period of Venus. We are too sensitive towards this right now, okay? Things will go back to normal when it's going back to direct movement. Well, my dear Virgos, you will have dancing of Venus probably in your 12th house of horoscope, if you're ascendant in Virgo. 12th house, it's our secrets, it's our subconscious, it's our unknown, it's our inner yourself and intuition as well. And also when we are asking ourselves questions like an inner analysis, and this is the time for you to answer these questions. What exactly is on my way to feel really happy? What exactly is on the way for me to feel this way? Because Venus, at the end of the day, it's about your happiness in life. It's your attitude towards this world. Are you happy where you are, who you are with, what you are doing every day in life, etc. So this analysis can be quite productive within this time. Well, my dear Libra, if you are ascendant in Libra, then dancing of the Venus will be in your 11th house of horoscope. This is the time for you to go online, start your YouTube, start your TikTok, or find the people who would support you in this or that project. It's the time to find yours, okay? People who think the same, people who want to do the same, the same project, maybe creative project. But also 11th house of horoscope, it's our future plans, and you might rethink what exactly I need to do right now to make my future better place, so to say. Also, 11th house of horoscope, it's a third marriage. So if you're in the position to maybe to get married for the third time, it might be the time. At least you will think about this, And also 11th house of horoscope, it's the house of children who are not yours, like your nieces, for example, your children of your partner, for example. So children are related to you, but they are not yours. So this period of time might be the period when you will be reevaluating the relationship with such children. Also, 11th house of horoscope is the house of astrology science. So might be happening that you are going to astrology consultation or tarot reader consultation, so you will ask someone help in order to see some things a little bit more in details, to see your future maybe in details or whatever, because astrologists can do this, not only understand who you are, but seeing your compatibility and what is going to happen in your life. Part 3 is continue, okay?